Hello, Redbird. Written by Sandrine Umuhoza and Lisa Perry. Hello, Redbird. Redbird, you are beautiful. Oh, Redbird, you can sing. In the morning, you sing for me. In the tree, you sing for me. First, you sing soft and low. Then, you sing loud and high. Oh, a beautiful redbird sings for me. Goodbye, Redbird. Tomorrow, I will sing for you. Quiz. The main character in the story is A. Red bird, B. An owl, C. A parrot. A. Red bird. In the story, Redbird can A. Fly, B. Twirl, C. Sing, C. Sing. Which of these words means the same as beautiful? A. Pretty, B. Scary, C. Tall. A. Pretty.
Thank you for watching.
If you enjoyed this story, you can check out NABU's original free bilingual mother tongue stories by downloading our mobile app, NABU Multilingual Kids app, available on Android and iOS, or visiting our web reader www.read.nabu.org.